Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, we will be talking about the question the examiner might ask you to do while the car is moving or while you are driving. There are two questions regards to show me, tell me. One of them is to show the examiner and one is to tell the examiner. So the one I want to talk about in this video is the one the examiner might ask you to do while you are moving or while you are driving. And that's when many learners, they get nervous and they start to do it quickly, and because they are rushing, the car is going all over the place. It's not staying on the road. Okay, it's either going too much on the left or too much on the right. Is because they are rushing and they are concentrating too much on the thing they need to do. They forget where the car is going. So what can he ask you to do? One of them, it could be open their window or open your window or put the wiper on or clean the window, the front one, put the wiper for the back window or clean the back window. Okay, so these are the things the examiner might ask you to do while you are driving the car. Okay, soon as the examiner asks you to do, okay, so this is your car, you're driving, okay, you're driving along, and the examiner said for you to open your window, meaning this one. Okay, open your window. Now soon as the examiner said open your window, please don't get nervous and don't do it straight away. Do it in your own time. Okay, so you drive as normal. So examiner said for you to open your window. Okay, so I'm driving, I get both hands on the wheel and I just have a look, okay, and give a glance where the switch is. Okay, so now I know I'm driving as well as I know where the switch is. So now I know where the switch is. I got my left hand firm because I need to take my right hand off. Yes, so because I need to take this hand off, I want to make sure that I could keep the car in a straight line or whichever way the road is going. Okay, I got my left hand little firm, okay, and I take my right hand off the wheel, keeping the car straight or the way the road is going. And this is when the problem, soon as the learner takes the hands off from the wheel, the car is going all over the place, and that's what the problem is. So make sure when you take your hands off, with one hand you're controlling, I'm taking my hand, open my window, take it back, and then close it again, take it back. So every time you take your hands off from the wheel, make sure you concentrate where the car is going, because that's where the problem is. Soon as you take your hands off, the car is going all over the place. And this happens to many learners soon as the examiner asks them to do something while they're driving the car. Okay, so this is important. So make sure you know where things are before you go to the test. Obviously your instructor will go through all those questions in your car, so you will know how to open your window, how to open the examiner's window, how to put the wiper on, how to clean the window, how to put the back wiper on, how to clean the window. You should know where things are, because if you don't, and while the car is moving and you get confused and you're trying to find where the things are, everything's going to go wrong. Okay, so make sure you know where things are. Okay, so now I'm driving and the examiner said for me to open my window. Okay, so I'm looking at the front, so I'm looking at the window, I'm looking at the front, and I'm driving. Now I know where the switch is. Take my hands, open my window, take my hands back. Now take my hands back, close it. Okay, so make sure you know where the switch is, because if you don't, the last thing you need to do, the last thing you want to do is take your hands and keep looking, and you don't know where the car is going. Okay, and this is many learners, they do that. So now the examiner said for you to put the wiper on. Okay, so I know where the wiper is, and then I turn it back off again. Okay, how do I clean it? Take it back off again. Yeah, the back wiper off. How do I clean it? Off again. Okay, so the main point I'm trying to make in this video is that when you are driving, make sure you concentrate where the car is going and this is important. Okay, many learners, soon as they need to do something else, they lose the concentration from the road where the car should be going. It's important that when you need to do something, for example, put the wiper on to clean the window, or to open your window, or to change gear, keep your concentration where the road is, where the car is going. Make sure the right hand is firm or the left hand is firm when you need to use your right hand to do something, or to change gear with the left hand. Make sure the right hand is firm and keep your concentration where the road is going or where the car is going. It's important. Many learners, they lose that and the car is going all over the place. And that's it for today, and I hope this video helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.